Hey everyone, it's me Cindy, and today I'm going to be trying the Excel Powder and Pencil Eyebrow EX. This is a 3-in-1 eyebrow pencil, powder and brush, and it's an award-winning product in Japan for over 5 years. The pencil is available in 8 different shades, and what I really like is how it has different color tones to suit different hair tones. So I'm using shade PD7, which I would describe as a hazel type of brown, and I'm going for a natural everyday makeup kind of brow look. So first, I'm just starting off by shaping my brow from the bottom with light strokes, and then slowly making my way to the ends, and then just kind of creating the general shape of my brow with harder strokes on the top. To give the brows a more natural, raw feel, I'm going in at the beginning of my brows and just drawing in vertical lines to mimic the look of brow hairs. To complete the look, I'm filling in any gaps with the powder and then brushing it all out with the little spoolie that comes with the pencil. And that's it, we're done! Natural brows in just a few simple steps. And here's a bonus makeup hack for you. If you're not a fan of lugging around too much makeup but you always find yourself doing your makeup on the go, the powder also doubles up as a contouring powder. So easy, right? So right now, Excel is giving away a rose quartz eye roller valued at $36.90 when you buy 2 Excel products including 1 Excel powder and pencil eyebrow EX at any major Watsons stores. So if you want to stock up on your eyebrow products, now is a great time to do so. I hope you enjoyed watching this short tutorial and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!